Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of OnePlus and exploring everything you need to know about the new OnePlus 13. From its design and specs to its global release and price point, this phone has already generated a lot of buzz. Is it worth the hype? Stick around to find out. First, let's talk about the release date. OnePlus has a tradition of launching its flagship phones in China first, followed by a global release. The OnePlus 13 dropped in China on October 31, 2024. While we don't have an exact global release date yet, past trends suggest it could hit the international market by late 2024 or early 2025. So if you're outside China, you may only have a little longer to wait. Now, let's talk about pricing. The OnePlus 13 starts at in China, which is roughly $675. Based on previous models, we can expect a price around $900 in the US. Yes, it's more expensive than last year's model, but considering its impressive features, it might still be a good deal compared to other flagship phones like the Samsung Galaxy S25. Alright, on to the specs. The OnePlus 13 boasts a 6.82-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, making it perfect for gaming and streaming. And get this, the peak brightness reaches a whopping 4,500 nits. You'll have no problem viewing your screen, even in direct sunlight. The OnePlus 13 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor and offers up to 24 GB of RAM with a massive 1 TB of storage. For context, that's more power than some laptops. Whether you're a mobile gamer, a photographer, or just a multitasker, this phone has you covered. And let's not forget the battery. With a massive 6,000 mAh battery, the OnePlus 13 is built to last. Plus, it supports 100W fast charging and 50W wireless charging, reaching a full charge in just 36 minutes. Say goodbye to battery anxiety. The camera setup is another highlight. The OnePlus 13 has a triple lens system, a 50MP wide, a 50MP telephoto, and a 50MP ultra-wide lens. Although the telephoto megapixel count is slightly lower than the OnePlus 12, the upgraded sensor should deliver better image quality overall. OnePlus has also given the OnePlus 13 a sleek new look. It comes in 3 colors: Obsidian Secret Realm, Blue Zower, and White Dew Dawn. The design is elegant, with narrow bezels, rounded corners, and an updated camera housing that's more minimalist than previous models. And a cool addition? The OnePlus 13 has Glove Touch technology, so you can use it while wearing gloves. It also includes Rain Touch 2.0, which prevents raindrops from interfering with touch sensors, a perfect feature for all-weather use. At the moment, the OnePlus 13 isn't available in the US, but it's expected to launch globally soon. If you're in the market for a new phone, the OnePlus 13 could be a great option. It's got flagship specs, unique design elements, and may still come in under $1,000, a significant saving compared to other premium models. Thanks for watching. Are you excited about the OnePlus 13? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech content. See you next time.